What it do, people? You know who it is. It's your boy, Young Geno, the handicap hero. And I'm finna get down on this car today, man. Show y'all how the handicap hero do his detail, man. I'm finna get it in, because I gotta stay fresh. You gotta jump out a clean car, and you gotta stay clean all the time. So the handicap hero gonna show you how the detail game go. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the kid channel, man, and keep rocking with your boy. Let's get to it, man. I'm finna show y'all how I stay fresh and keep top of my house. You know what I'm saying? Man, let's get it.
What, so you a fool for this one, you heard me?
Top of the morning to you, man. I'm sitting in the garage. I'm about to get this $300 cleaned up, man. I'm about to detail the inside. I'm gonna vacuum. I'm gonna wipe it down with my leather cleaner and my other sprays. You know, keep it all fresh on the inside. Get it all cleaned up, man. I'm gonna show you how the handicap hero get down, so you can clean your car too. So over there, I got my cleaner materials. I use McGuire's for the leather, and I also use this McGuire's new scent. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I got my Armor All vacuum over there too. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about so y'all can see all this good stuff, man. But yeah, man, I'm finna get to it. I'm gonna show y'all how to properly clean your car. Then after I clean the inside, I'm gonna take it to the car wash, and I got this. I go to the hand wash car wash. I'm gonna let them boys wash it up, man. Get it real clean. It's gonna be looking real nice and shiny, and I'm gonna put on a fresh fit, and I'm gonna be looking good, and it's gonna be going down just like that. You know what I'm saying? So I got me some scissors, man. I had to cut me up I actually cut up a shirt, man. This is an old thermal. I ain't gonna wear it no more. You know what I'm saying? It's just an old white thermal. See, look, there go the sleeve right there. That's the sleeve. But I cut this up and I made it into a towel, man. And I'm finna use this to clean the car with. Yeah, look, I got my heavy duty extension cord. Get that in that wall up there, man. Alright, man, this is the inside of the car. We're about to get to it. Look, the floor dirty. Look at all that trash. But that ain't nothing my little trusty vacuum can't fix. So we're gonna take this carpet out first, man. And we're gonna get this car clean. So this is the before, and I'm gonna show you the after. I'm gonna show you how the handicap hero get down, man. Look at it, man. Car just extra dirty. Look at my wife's shoes all on the floor. She got a jacket over there. But it's gonna be beautiful when I finish. It's gonna be beautiful, magnificent. And there go my vacuum right here, man. This the Armor All vacuum. I'm finna get to work with this, man. My little 2 horsepower vacuum, man. This finna get the car clean up. I'm finna have it looking beautiful. I'm finna get that flow clean. All right, man. I'm in the car with it. See, I got my vacuum right here. I'm about to get this flow all cleaned up, man. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like after the handicap hero, the handicap detailer. Today I'm the handicap detailer. After the handicap detailer get done, I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look, man. I'm about to clean up this whole car. I'm about to have it shining. You know, I told you I got my McGuire's leather cleaner. I got my other McGuire's for my fresh scent. It's gonna do the vinyl and the stuff like that up there. I got my vacuum. Gonna hit this flow up. It's going down. I'm gonna have it looking good. Say, watch what I tell you. You know, y'all gonna be wanting to call me when I get done with this and be like, man, can I get the handicap detailer to come to my crib and do my car for me? I might come do it though. But check me out. We about to get to it. I gotta get to cleaning. We got that floor nice and vacuumed up here in the front. We got it nice and vacuumed in the back. Now I'm about to vacuum the floor mats, put them back in the car, and then I'm gonna get to the detail part. I'm gonna wipe down the dash and all that. Now we're getting to the doors. Wipe it down. Last part, gotta get this outside done. We getting that good hand wash.
Esta vez, en esta elección, el suyo, el mío, importará. El día de las elecciones es el 3 de noviembre.
You gotta pull out the good old Windex. You can't forget to hit the inside of your windows with the good Windex, man. And then that's gonna complete your inside. Get your shirt, get your wipe on, man. The best way to really clean your windows is to use an old piece of newspaper. That's the best way. Ooh, that car look good. Now that's how you wash a car. That is how you detail a car. Look at it, it's shining. Man, the handicap hero is tired, man. Today I turned into the handicap detailer. I got this car washed up, cleaned up. It's looking good. It's smelling good. I got my good air freshener on the inside. You know, I like the blue trees. You know what I'm saying? The blue trees that say, new car scent. That's the scent I like. That's the scent I like to use. I shine these tires up, man. Subscribe to the channel. Give me that thumbs up. Comment, share it with all you people, man. I am Young Geno. I am the handicap hero. Thank you for watching, man. I appreciate you. Keep rocking with your boy, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna show you how the handicap dudes do it, man. Just how I get down, you know what I'm talking about? So, hope you like the video. Holla at you on the other side. See you next time. You dig what I'm saying? The handicap hero. I'm out of here. Young Geno.